Welcome back to Biomedical Data Science in Python. Let's start this lesson and speak a little bit about data wrangling, how to load, transform, and start exploring data. Before we start, let's discuss data structures in Python. There are two packages that are required to deal with data that we load, NumPy and pandas. NumPy is the fundamental library of Python. It is used to perform scientific computing. It provides high-performance multidimensional arrays and tools to deal with them. A NumPy array is a grid of values of the same type, let's say numeric, that are indexed by a tuple of positive integers. NumPy arrays are fast, easy to understand, and give users the right to perform calculations across arrays. Pandas provides easy-to-use data structures and data analysis tools for manipulating numeric data organized as data frames. The Pandas data frame is a structure that contains two-dimensional data and its corresponding labels. Data frames are very similar to SQL tables or the spreadsheets that you work with in Excel. In many cases, data frames are faster, easier to use, and more powerful than tables or spreadsheets. As you can see in the first dataset that we will explore, the data contains four columns called ID, flower, tree, and bird. For each column, there are a number of specimens that are rows in the table. Each row and column have corresponding cell values. To load the dataset into the browser console, download the file to your computer and then drag and drop it in the area under the console where it says drop a file.